All right, guys, I don't know how I ended that other video. I don't know if it's anyways, I'm gonna put, this is the old unit, and basically the plug, I mean, it's not brain surgery, to be honest. I mean, the plug just pushes in. So this is your old unit, and where the hell did I put the other? Oh, hold on. All right, old unit is pretty darn close. Same setup. It's got a little groove difference or whatever, but the plug looks the same. 3 prongs or 4 prongs and 4 prongs. I hope this is the one. I'm gonna put you on pause, let you know. Yep, just snapped right in. I'm gonna go ahead and put those bolts on, and we're gonna start the car up to make sure it worked. All right, guys, I don't want you to have to go through what I just went through. So you see how that's laid out? You got those nubs or those knobs all the way around, except for at the very bottom. And then you have the same thing on this one. And if you look inside here, there's only one way to put it in. You can see where that missing piece is, about the 5 o'clock position, 4 or 5 o'clock position. So I had to unplug the unit so I can rotate it in there, because these knobs, they don't turn. So you can't. That's the first thing I tried was to try to rotate this, but it doesn't work that way. So let me put you on pause. All right, just so you guys see. So you can put the unit in, and then it just rotates, and then it sits in a little pin up on the right hand side about the 1 o'clock position, and then she lines up, and I can go ahead and put the 2 bolts in. All right, easy peasy, nice and easy. Now we're going to start the car up and see if that actually takes away the ticking before I put it all back together. And put you on pause. All right, here we go. Still thumped a little bit. That's weird. Let me try it one more time. There it goes. No ticking. And we'll try 3 times the charm. Right on. And when I was driving here, the AC was not that cold. Oh. Yeah, it seems like the air is blowing cold. No, that's weird. Anyways, I'm not really sure what the actuator does. However, it seems that's the problem. So I'll try it one more time. Perfect, no ticking. So that's how you solve that problem. I'll just pop the, I mean, it literally took me, if I didn't do the video, it would have taken me like 5 minutes. So anyways, please like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao.